In this video, I'm going to show you how to use hashtags in TikTok. So it's pretty easy and sometimes it could be really helpful. It works for both for Android and for iPhone, so you can use it anywhere you want. So all we need is just to click on plus and then of course upload our videos. So it looks like this, and after that, as you can see, just a simple video from me on the street. So now we can just click on next, and here we can see all the editable things for our video. We can add the description, we can add some settings, we can allow high quality uploads, which is really important, so turn it on. So in our description, this is a place where we can add our hashtags. And what does it mean? The hashtags are words to find the necessary people you want to share your video with. For example, if you want to share our video with people who are interested in snow, in winter, so we can just add the hashtags like this. So it means that the people will be more interested in this video, and it makes the chances of your success with this video a little bit higher. So all we need is just to find the necessary hashtags. Winter weather maybe. So also when you add the hashtag, you can see the number of views under the videos with these hashtags in the right part of the screen. For example, just weather has 7.3 billion views, which is much bigger than for example, weather love. So you can choose the low volume hashtags to make your videos popular in some small auditory. So I suggest you add maybe 3 to 5 hashtags. It's not necessary to add a lot of them. So after that, all we need is just to click on the post and our video will be posted with these hashtags. So guys, I hope this video was useful for you. If it is, please like this video, subscribe to my channel and write your comment. Goodbye.